Hi friends, welcome back to Sound Work. I am excited to work with you today. Let's get our thumbs up. It's time to rhyme, it's time to rhyme, it's time to rhyme, oh yeah. It's time to rhyme, it's time to rhyme, it's time to rhyme, oh yeah. Rhyming words sound the same at the end. Remember friends, it's that last chunk of a word that we're listening for to see if words rhyme. This week, I am giving you the last chunk of a word and you're coming up with words that rhyme. So for example, if I give you the chunk eat, you're going to think about what other word ends with eat. So for example, eat, feet, eat, seat. Can you think of any other words that rhyme with eat? Feet, seat. Can you think of anything else? Show me the connection sign if you came up with these words. Eat, meat, eat, sheet, eat, greet. Can you think of any other ones? If you do, make sure to let your teacher or me know about them. We want to hear your rhyming words. All right, friends, what's at the beginning? I don't know. What's at the beginning? I don't know. We're listening for beginning sounds. That's the first sound you hear. And we know over the past few weeks, we haven't just been listening for one beginning sound, we've been listening for the beginning consonant blend sound, where we have those two or more consonants that come together and we say their sounds like a chunk. So just like yesterday, I'm going to say 3 words. Each of those words start with the same beginning blend sound. You'll just tell me the blend that you hear at the beginning of all 3 of those words. Let me give you an example. Sweet, sweater, swipe. Sweet, sweater, swipe all begin with the blend sw. Your turn. Blue, blister, blocked. What blend do those words begin with? Blue, blistered, block. They all begin with boo. Let me give you another one. Flop, flood, flute. Flop, flood, flute. Those all begin with fool. Last one. Drive, dream, dribble. Drive, dream, dribble. What blend do those start with? Good job, my friends. Let's get ready to blend. Let's blend a word, let's blend a word, let's blend a word, oh yeah. Let's blend a word, let's blend a word, let's blend a word, oh yeah. Alrighty, my friends, I'm going to give you the sounds and you're going to blend those sounds that I give you together to say a whole word. Let's do the first one together. B, U, A, S, T, blast. Next one. And. The word is friend. Very good. What about this word? Sleep. The word is sleepy. Good job. Let's do one more. This is a long one. Et. The word is trumpet. Bum-ba-da-da. It's a musical instrument. Very good. All righty. Let's move on to finding where the blend is in a word. So remember, we're playing Find the Blend. I'll tell you a blend that you're listening for, and you're going to tell me if it comes at the beginning, the middle, or the end, okay? So the first blend we're listening for is grr, okay? Grr. Is the blend grr at the beginning, middle, or end of the word grandma? Grandma. Grr. It's at the beginning. Grandma. Grr is at the beginning. Okay, the next sound you're listening for is, the next blend sound you're listening for is sk. Sk. Where is sk in the word task? Task. Is the sk at the beginning, middle, or end? It's at the end. Task. Okay, now you're listening for st. St. Where is st in the word faster? Faster. Is it at the beginning, the middle, or the end? It's in the middle. Faster. Faster. The st is in the middle. Good job, my friends. Let's get ready to chop. Let's chop a word. Let's chop a word. Let's chop a word. Oh, yeah. Let's chop a word. Let's chop a word. Let's chop a word. Oh, yeah. All right, my friends, I'll give you the whole word. You chop it into its sounds. Remember, these words likely have blends. You need to break the blend, whether the blend's at the beginning or at the end, or maybe both. Here we go. The word is chest. 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 The blend was at the end and we broke it apart. We heard st and we went st. So chest, chest. All right, next one. Swift. Swift. Go ahead and chop it into its sounds. Check your work. Swift. 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 5 sounds, air high five. Next one. Trunk. Trunk, like an elephant's trunk. Go ahead and chop it into its sounds. Check your work. Trunk. 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 5 sounds, another air high five. All right, friends. Try this one. Princess. Princess. Go ahead and chop it into its sounds. You ready to check your work? Here we go. Princess. Princess. 7 sounds. Give me an air high 7. Good job, my friends. All right, let's add a part. Let's add a part. Let's add a part. Let's add a part. Oh, yeah. Let's add a part. Let's add a part. Let's add a part. Oh, yeah. All right, my friends, I will give you the beginning of a word, and then I'm going to add a sound at the end. You tell me what the word is. A lot of the times, it's going to make an ending blend. There's going to be a consonant that ends the first chunk I give you, and then I'm adding a consonant sound at the end, so there'll be a blend that's made at the end. Let's see if we can figure out what they are. Say fall, add t at the end, and the word is fault. Fault. Oot is the blend that was made at the end. Say fine, add d at the end, and the word is find. Find. That n at the end and the d, nd, made the blend nd. Find. Good. Say shell, add f at the end, and the word is shelf. Good. Say one, add s at the end, and the word is once. Good job, my friends. Let's delete. Let's delete a part. Let's delete a part. Let's delete a part. Oh, yeah. Let's lead apart, let's lead apart, let's lead apart. Oh yeah. All right, my friends, I'll give you a word and we're gonna delete the ending sound, okay? And you'll tell me what's left. Say ranch. Without ch, what's left is ran. Say storm. Without what's left is store, because you had store, we took away the and what's left is store. Say belt. Without t, what's left is bell. Say gramp. Without p, what's left is gram. Good job. Are you ready to change apart? Let's change apart. Let's change apart. Let's change apart. Oh yeah. Let's change apart. Let's change apart. Let's change apart. Oh yeah. All right, my friends, we're going to change the first part of the word. It might be a blend sound. It might be one sound by itself. And we're going to change it to a different sound or a different blend sound. Here we go. Say shed. Change the sh to a sure, and the word is shred. Because this was sh-ed. We changed the sh to a sure. Sure-ed. Shred. Say shred. Change the sure to a sl, and the word is sled. Good. Say sled. Change the sl to a sp, and the word is sped. Say sped. Change the sp to a ter, and the word is tread. Say tread. Change the ter to a fur, and the word is Fred. Awesome job, my friends.